gosh. Go to the breastfeeding content. Where heels, please. I'm fine. I'm fine. I got the shorts ko. Essential. Oh, malaki. Facebook. Entertainment vlog. I am from Philippines. Pag chains, lagi shirt. Vlog shirt. O shirts. Kung ganito na ang suot ko, yun na yun. Bakas na malaki. Please. My son. Oh, sleep. Already sleep. Hi to my 186 viewers watching my live. Hi guys. Hello. Hello everyone. Thank you for giving time to watch my live, guys. Entertain vlog. You're from Makmak is already because we go to school tomorrow. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Philippines has the sweetest mommy. Hello, the new guy. Hello, hello, Peter. We just found your channel. Okay, welcome to my channel, Peter. You are from? I'm happy that you visit to my channel now. You, please welcome my new Peter. It's me again, TV Fully the Beats. Australia. Oh, nice country. I hope you enjoy watching my live and my video. Christopher Jan from Pakistan, Lahore. Shout out. The new guy is from where? So Ki Rosaro Selvera. Hello Ki Kamji. Hello Dang Dang. California video. What is that? Peter Table, thank you already subscribed. Thank you, Peter. If you want to message me, I have there my Instagram on my profile. You can message me on my Instagram and also to my WhatsApp and also to my Facebook. Snacks mamaya pa. How do I look my face? Here's how to my country Philippines better food. I only have FB. Oh, my FB is Naomi Hamaron. Instagram, Naomi Hamaron. I have there the link of my Instagram on my profile. Instagram there. You can see my Instagram. I have also my Patreon. Down your dress. Oh, if you want to down my dress, you can go to my Patreon account. Be a member so you can watch me. To my Patreon. Iba na kay Black Shirt. Kadura Quiz. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko siya nalagay. O di wow. Nawala yung Black Shirt ko. Kawa ko. Hindi ko makita. Wala akong Black Shirt. I'm fine. I'm fine. Later. Tomorrow I will use Black Shirt. Hello, Wonder.